Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco pizza at home. Start by preheating the oven and prepping taco meat with taco seasoning, then roll or press your dough to size. Spread a thin layer of salsa or sauce, sprinkle cheese, and top with seasoned beef and onions. Bake until golden and cheese melts, then add fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and a drizzle of sour cream. Warm and friendly tip: prep everything in advance to make assembly fun and fast. Cook the beef with seasoning and drain excess fat, then let it cool briefly so it doesn't make the crust soggy. Shred cheese and slice vegetables while the oven heats. Keep wet toppings separate until after baking so they stay crisp. This simple staging makes the whole process smoother and tastier for you and your guests. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Grab darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and ridiculous durability, perfect for chefs on their feet or anyone who loves quality gear. I linked to the deal in the description along with other finds, so check it out now. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling is where the magic happens, and you can make it your own. Start with a thin sauce layer so the crust crisps, add a generous layer of cheese to lock in moisture, then distribute the seasoned meat evenly. Finish with a bit more cheese and bake on a preheated surface for the best crust. Once out, add cool, fresh toppings so they stay vibrant and crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.